Talk to my ground crew a minute to hold her.
You talked to who?
The ground crew.
Oh, really?
I'll call them. Oh, come on, man. Flip them out.
We'll say, come on, give us a break. The team's not here yet.
Yeah, I got no mercy anyway. All right, big guy. Got a little wind up? Huh? Let's do one. You want to learn one? All right, give me a basic. I'm going to show you this wind. Really simple. Now the wind up, all it is 1, 2, 3, finish. Okay? I'm going to be right-handed right now. Okay, watch. Make some start here, see my feet up. Hands together. And all I do is I go 1, 2, 3. That look pretty simple?
No.
Let's go take it do it together. Okay. So hang your toes over a little bit. Okay. We put our hands together. One. One. 1, 2. Okay. That's all right. Not bad, not bad. All right. Now, here's my suggestion. Always start at a little bit of an angle, like right here. Okay, so when you step back right here. No, wrong foot. 3. Good, right? Let's just work on 1 and 2. Because they're important. Always start at an angle, good. Then you step a little sideways. There you go. Now just do 1. Straight back. And when I see straight back, all you do is that's it. And then what you want to do, okay, go ahead and step back. 1, and then all you got to do is put all your that foot, and this foot slides in there real easy, doesn't it? Right? That's why we step back. So you start over. When you step back, so you're going to take your weight off of it. All right, go ahead. 1, 2, and then we bring some 3. See what I mean? Okay, good. Let's try it again. 1, 2. By the way, it's all right. 1, 2. Good. Now see, that's 2 is very important.
Yeah.
That's your plant foot.
Because you got to have all your weight on this.
It's got to be. Look, it's got to be right here. It's got to be right up against that rubber square, so that way you can make a good leg kick. That's why it's important. Let's do it again. 1, 2. No, I'm real picky. Here. See the difference? Do 1 and stop. If you do 1, all you got to do is heel. See what I mean? Okay? That's why I always say hang your toe over just a little bit there. Now then go. 1, slide your heel. That's right. See how simple that is? Huh? Good job. Try it again. 1. Sure. Good. 1, 2. That's good. Very good. Yeah. 1, 2. Good. Again. Now this time, put your hands together. 1, 2. That's where we start, man. Now, see the great thing about this? Do you need a baseball to practice this at home?
No. You know, inside the room.
If you got a mirror or something where you see yourself a little bit, you lay down a sock like it's the rubber. You practice. That's how I learned. You don't need a ball, do you? You know, by the time you get out there to do it here, let's try it again. Start over here. 1, 2, 3. That out the way. Let's try it. All the way through. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Out the way. All right, good. Remember that step back? It's a little step. Don't big step. Get awkward. Yeah, that's right. See, keep it real simple. You know, I'm just basically real simple. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right. Now then, the big fish. Go ahead. I'm going to catch you. Okay. 1, 2. That's too big of a step. 1 little step, big step. 1, 2, 3. Put all your in your back foot. All your back foot, right? Now that's comfortable, isn't it? Right? Huh? Okay, we get here. Okay. It's all right. So again. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Here. All right? Again. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Ah, boy. And run. Well, there's a few more opponents here, but let's just get this down first. Now remember, when we're here, 1, 2, right? All the way on our back foot, right? So we get this knee up here. Okay? You're doing this. You got this knee. That. Bring this up to you. Tuck that knee up here. Can you do that? See, you can do it. That's 3, right? All right, try it. 1, 2, 3. Up. That was right here. Keep that knee up there. Oh boy,
not bad
at all. Oh boy.